Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best deals on remote car starters in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Avital 4105L one-way remote start system. If you want a basic, reliable system for remote start, keyless entry, and security, this is your ticket. It offers the same features as most original equipment remote starters and is very easy to use. It comes with 2 4-button fobs that will start your vehicle, lock and unlock it, and open the trunk. The fobs will remotely start a vehicle up to 1,500 feet away, but since the system is one-way, you won't receive confirmation it's running. The system offers good security features including a shock sensor, alarm, and starter interrupt. Avital also bills this one as being compatible with original equipment systems, making it an inexpensive option for replacing factory key fobs if necessary. It's bit-writer programmable, letting you customize some of the features like runtime for the remote start function. Because it's not as complex as other remote start systems, it is not as difficult to install. But don't let that or the price fool you. This is a very good quality basic system, making it our recommended pick for a low-cost remote starter. Number 2. Our second best pick is Viper 5706V two-way car security with remote start system. Viper is one of the big names in car security. This is our top pick, offering a complete suite of remote start, keyless entry, and security. The remote starter lets you start or turn off your car at a range of 1 mile or less. You can also open your doors and trunk and even see the status of your car on the LCD display. Equipped with Responder LC3, this monitors the status of your car. LC3 provides information like your car's internal temperature and sends you alerts and reminders if you leave your car unlocked or running. If anything happens to your car, the shock sensor activates, and the system alerts you to the status of your car, including the doors and trunk. Additionally, it can start, unlock, and monitor systems on 2 separate cars. Another nice feature of it is how it displays icons on the LCD screen. The most important or relevant icons show up in the center while unused icons disappear to keep the display clean and simple. For example, if you switch to valet mode, the padlock icon appears with the words valet mode. Once you're back in normal mode, the padlock appears with info on the status of your car's security. Number 3. Our third best pick is Compustar CS4900S two-way remote start system. Most remote car starters are a pain to install and almost need to be left up to a professional. However, if you're determined to do the work yourself, it may be your best bet. You're still going to have to splice wires and make a variety of connections, but it's a more straightforward setup than other remote start systems. Its operation is straightforward as well. 4 buttons control the ability to lock, unlock, start, or open the trunk. One nice feature is a light-up icon that displays when you are out of range. The range is about 2/3 of a mile, putting it in about the middle of the pack. But it's an honest range and your vehicle will start in a building or even when obstacles block it from view. The key trade-off for the ease of installation is that it lacks an LCD screen or anything that provides a wow factor. It also doesn't have a built-in alarm system or starter interrupt. But it is a quality system that covers the basics and works extremely well. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Viper VSM550 SmartStart Pro GPS module system. We do a lot of things with our cell phones, so it makes sense to have an app to track and receive information from your car. If you like the idea of controlling your car from your cell phone, the Viper VSM550 offers one of the best apps in the game and includes a lot of capabilities. Perhaps the best feature of this is how it ties functionality to GPS. Using the app, you can start the car or lock and unlock the doors from just about anywhere in the world. The system also pairs with Viper's premium features like Viper Motor Club, Smart Park Car Location, Smart Schedule, and other car connectivity features. Most of these features are included for a monthly fee, but if you frequently travel or leave your car parked for long periods of time, they can be well worth the expense. Another thing to note is that a dedicated remote start system is not included as part of the package. You'll either need to tie this to your existing remote start system or purchase one from Viper or another company. Like other Viper products, this is highly complex to install and may be best left to professionals. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Compustar CS7900S two-way remote start. Many remote starters are not compatible with diesel engines. That may seem strange on the surface, but diesel engines have different starting requirements than gasoline engines. This is a two-way model that's tailored to work with diesel engines in addition to gas and hybrid vehicles. The package includes a remote start with an alarm bundle, a two-way interactive LCD remote, and a backup 4-button remote. It has a 2/3 mile range and can unlock the doors and pop the trunk in addition to the remote start function. It includes a CM900AS/Blade AL control module with bypass, which is almost a must-have to override the starter interrupt feature on modern cars. The alarm includes an impact sensor, shock sensor, siren, and two-way alarm notifications. Additionally, you can add additional modules for door, hood, and trunk sensors to monitor against vehicle intrusion. There are a number of complaints about the complex wiring installation and confusing instructions. But the challenge with modern cars is bypassing the anti-theft and starter interrupt systems. This is where the Blade AL comes in handy because it simplifies setting up the bypass. It's still a difficult process but easier than some systems on the market. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.